Have you guys heard about YouTube Shorts? Well, if you haven't already, then you better get ready to learn something new today, because Google has just recently announced a $100 million fund aimed at paying creators up to $10,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right, and you can become one of them if you follow the right strategies. Now, obviously it will be a huge boost for you if you're already an online celebrity with thousands of followers, but even if you haven't created a fan base just yet, now is a great time for you to start. YouTube Shorts is a new venture under YouTube that aims to tackle the popularity of TikTok. It's basically Google's version of Instagram Reels, which in itself is Facebook's version of TikTok. But how can you become a part of this? That's what I'm here for. Today's video is going to talk about YouTube Shorts and how it can help you earn a nice amount of income during this time. If you're new here and you're constantly looking for ways to make money and manage your earnings, then hit that subscribe button because Money Time places its primary focus on topics like these. Make sure you watch every bit of this video because this is a new announcement and there could be some changes coming out soon. I'm going to be discussing that as well. Let's get into the video. So you might be aware that earlier, YouTube Shorts were not monetized the same way that YouTube videos were. This means that YouTube Shorts were not eligible for ad revenue or YouTube Premium payouts, so the payout rates were very low. However, YouTube was still promoting these videos heavily to its users. That made creators post them to attract more viewers and hop on the algorithm push. Basically, they were getting paid very small amounts but gained a higher audience, and this would lead to more views on their other videos, so they still ended up earning indirect revenue. Now, with YouTube aggressively pushing this new mode of content creation, you too have a chance to generate thousands of impressions and make money while doing so. Now, before I start talking numbers, I think it's important to let you know that this fund is currently only available for creators residing in 10 countries. They are the USA, UK, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, and South Africa. So, if you're not living in any of these countries, then you won't be eligible for the fund. But don't worry, YouTube has said that they are planning to expand their eligibility to more countries and regions soon. So who knows, perhaps your country will be added next. So the main idea is to generate as many views and engagements as possible to be eligible for higher payments. Let me explain this using what YouTube said in their statement. They said that all of a creator's YouTube Shorts videos will count toward their Shorts performance each month that they receive views and not just the month when they were uploaded. This means that as long as your Shorts are generating views and audience interactions, you will be eligible for a percentage of the fund. Also, while they haven't explicitly said this, I do believe that audience interactions and engagement will be crucial because YouTube is well aware of the ways in which views can be manipulated. The bonus payment amounts will be adjusted based on a channel's total Shorts performance and also their audience's location. This basically means that your total performance will be responsible for whatever you earn. Your payouts will also vary based upon your location. I believe this is because of the varying populations across the different countries where Shorts are available. For example, India has a population of over 1.3 billion people, so getting hundreds of thousands of views won't require much effort. However, in the UK there aren't more than 68 million people, so the relative response there will be much lower than in India. The payments will be sorted out accordingly. I also believe that the currency values have something to do with this. One English pound is worth over 100 Indian rupees, so this will also have to be adjusted along with the relative viewership. YouTube still hasn't elaborated on these aspects, so this is my best guess right now, keeping in mind what I have to work with. However, they have mentioned that the level of performance needed to qualify for a bonus payment may differ between creators based on factors such as audience location and may even change from month to month due to fluctuations in these factors and also the number of creators making Shorts. Now, what they mean here is that payments may not always be at a uniform rate and could change from time to time. There's no need to worry though, it just appears that YouTube is trying to adopt a similar strategy as when they first started monetizing their videos. The rates may decrease, but the volumes will gradually increase. Now that you've understood what the YouTube Shorts Fund is all about, let's talk about other eligibility factors based upon the nature of your content. In order to qualify for payouts from the Shorts Fund, channels need to have uploaded a minimum of one eligible short in the last 180 days. Of course, they should also conform to YouTube's community guidelines, copyright rules and monetization policies. In addition to this, creators must be 13 or older in the USA or the prescribed age of majority in their respective countries or regions. They must also accept the terms of the program and link their channels to an active Google AdSense account where they will be receiving these bonus payments. You should note that there are certain categories of content that are not eligible for monetization. These excluded categories consist of YouTube Shorts that include non-original content, such as videos that are re-uploaded from other channels, as well as videos with watermarks or logos from third-party social platforms. So take care that you only upload your own content, otherwise you won't end up getting paid at all. Note that the timeline for this program has started from the 2nd of August and will go on till the year 2022. YouTube has said that they will be reaching out to eligible creators themselves, but don't let that stop you from starting your own channel. There are plenty of hot topics right now. Some of them include funny pet videos, short dance clips, cooking hacks, study tips, fun facts, and many more. All you need to do is grab your phone and start taking shorts. YouTube has added a lot of new features that you can play around with to make your videos look more attractive. Remember, you can make anywhere between $100 to $10,000 per month if you get this right. Now, I've spoken a lot about this specific fund, but are there other ways to make money off YouTube Shorts? The answer is yes. Let's take a look at some of them. First of all, you can start with affiliate marketing. You don't even need lots of subscribers for this. If you upload a viral video with an affiliate link, you stand the chance to earn money every time someone purchases something using your link. Unlike YouTube videos where millions of views will probably only get you around a few $1,000s, you can possibly earn the same amount with only 20 or 30,000 views depending on the number of people that convert. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing in detail, then check out the link in the description. I explain the many ways you can earn money through affiliate links in that video. Not just on YouTube, but on other platforms as well. Next, you have the option of finding a sponsor for your shorts. The sponsor will pay you a certain amount in exchange for you advertising their product or service in the video. Of course, you might need to prove that you can get a certain number of views on your videos for a sponsor to agree to pay you for it. You can also start paid memberships for exclusive content on platforms like Patreon and then redirect your audience to those links. This way, you can build up your own brand and get direct payments credited to your account rather than having to wait for YouTube to calculate your payments and transfer them only at the end of each cycle. Finally, you can use your YouTube Shorts to generate an interest in your own channel and earn indirect revenue through your other videos. Like I mentioned earlier, if YouTube is aggressively pushing out shorts on its algorithm, then you have the chance to actually promote your channel through your shorts because there is a strong chance that it will be promoted across YouTube's global audience. This is why I feel you are not at a disadvantage even if you don't have your own channel yet. And that was all I had to say on the new announcement. I'm sure I've pretty much covered everything there is to know about this new development. If you want to check it out for yourself, visit Google's Help Center for frequently asked questions and other information. It's an exciting time if you are a YouTube creator or are thinking of becoming one. I would strongly recommend you to give it a shot if you are good at making TikTok videos or Reels. It's a great earning opportunity. YouTube has said that they are always looking to create new opportunities for their creators, so who knows, maybe they'll add some new earning options for people like you as time passes by. If you feel like I missed out on any crucial information, then please feel free to let me know in the comments. You can also mention any other topics that you'd want me to cover and I'll look into it. Head over to my channel to check out my other videos and press the like button on this one if you think that this video was informative or helped inspire you to check out some opportunities on YouTube. Take care, I'll see you again soon.